Okay, so if you'd like to change the overlay that's on your dial, you want to remove the red one first. So you can use a heat gun or a hair dryer, or even a cloth with some warm water. A little bit of heat on the sticker, just for a second. And then using a screwdriver or an X-Acto knife, just find the lip of the sticker and peel it off. Once the sticker's off, use some rubbing alcohol and clean the surface of the dial. Now you're ready to put your new sticker on, or your new overlay. So take your overlay, turn the dial towards you so you can look down on it, peel it where the finger stop is, and looking from above, you should be able to match it up. And smooth it with your fingers. There you go.